Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you an amazing platform where you can earn real money by completing simple tasks like watching videos, downloading apps, and playing games. This isn't just any platform, it has over 5 million downloads, so you know it's a trusted and proven way to earn. To get started, just click the link in the description. Once the page loads, I highly recommend using the Login with Google option. It's the fastest and most secure way to set up your account. Let's jump right in. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll see several ways to start earning. One of the easiest methods is watching YouTube videos. For example, when you select a video task, the platform will give you a specific keyword to search for and a thumbnail to look for on YouTube. It's a very easy job that adds up over time. But watching videos is just the beginning. You can also earn money by downloading apps or playing games. And there are many kinds of other surveys that you can do to earn money. There are several ways of earning money, so go check it out. Link in the description.